Top 10 Best Places Visit in Arizona. Arizona is home to incredible landscapes, lively cities, spooky ghost towns, world-class spas, and warm weather year-round, making the state ideal for a getaway any time of year. But to help you decide which Arizona destinations to spend your vacation in, U.S. News considered factors like the number of attractions, the availability of accommodations, and the opinions of everyday travelers to pick the best places to visit in Arizona. One, Grand Canyon National Park. Undisputed as one of the best national parks in the U.S., Grand Canyon National Park is Arizona's crowning achievement. Many travelers opt to visit the South Rim, which is home to Grand Canyon Village, scenic overlooks, and several hiking trails, including popular routes like Bright Angel Trail and Rim Trail. For a less crowded alternative, try visiting the North Rim between mid-May and mid-October. And if you want a story for the ages, consider a mule ride to the bottom of the canyon or a whitewater rafting trip along the Colorado River. Two, Canyon de Chelly National Monument. In addition to breathtaking natural landscapes, Canyon de Chelly National Monument within the Navajo Nation is home to nearly 5,000 years of human history, making it one of the longest continuously inhabited destinations in North America. A thriving community of Navajo people still live and work here, surrounded by ancient Pueblo ruins, cliff dwellings, and pictographs. While access to the interior of the canyon is limited to tours led by a Navajo guide, this includes excursions on foot, horseback, and vehicle. Auto tours along the scenic North and South Rim drives are self-guided. Three, Monument Valley. Whether you're a fan of movies or jaw-dropping landscapes, chances are you'll love visiting Monument Valley. Many films have featured the red sandstone mesas and buttes found in Monument Valley Navajo Tribal Park, which occupies land in both Arizona and Utah. Take the 17-mile-long Valley Drive from the Visitor Center to see some of the Arizona side's most popular sites, including the East and West Mitten Buttes, Elephant Butte, and John Ford's Point. The latter is named after the famous film director and features a Navajo store where you can buy jewelry and crafts. Four, Glen Canyon National Recreation Area. Spanning more than 1.25 million acres in Utah and Arizona, Glen Canyon National Recreation Area appeals to travelers who are looking to spend some quality time in nature. Spend the afternoon water skiing on Lake Powell, the second-largest human-made lake in the United States, or hike the short trail to Horseshoe Bend Overlook, which offers a unique perspective of the Colorado River as it snakes through Glen Canyon in a horseshoe-shaped curve. While you're here, you can't miss a visit to nearby Antelope Canyon, a mesmerizing slot canyon within the Navajo Nation that can only be explored via guided tour. Five, Sedona. Outdoor enthusiasts flock to this central Arizona town to enjoy its stunning scenery. Regularly described as one of the most beautiful places in America, Sedona dazzles with its famous red rocks and hiking trails, found in Red Rock State Park, as well as its vortexes. These unique rock formations are said to emit a healing energy from the earth, and it's an experience you have to feel for yourself to believe. The town is also home to numerous spas, with Sedona-inspired specialty treatments, which are bound to leave you feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. Six, Vermilion Cliffs National Monument. Vermilion Cliffs National Monument's gorgeous rock formations draw hikers from around the world. Can't miss landmarks here include the Wave in Coyote Buttes North and White Pocket in the Patria Canyon. Keep in mind, though, that both areas require permits for hiking and camping. These permits, which are given to a limited number of people per day, depending on the region and type of visit, by Arizona's Bureau of Land Management, ensure travelers can enjoy the monument without rubbing elbows with hordes of tourists. Lake Powell. Millions of people flock to this destination in Glen Canyon National Recreation Area every year to enjoy the ultimate lake vacation. Popular pursuits at Lake Powell, which features nearly 2,000 miles of winding shoreline, include boating, water skiing, tubing, paddleboarding, and wakeboarding. The lake's abundance of game fish also draws anglers in droves. No visit would be complete without hiking around the towering red rock formations that line the lake's shores. Flagstaff. Surrounded by multiple natural treasures, Flagstaff is more than just a stopover on a road trip to the Grand Canyon. To the north, you'll find the Arizona Snowbowl Ski Resort, which offers everything from ski slopes to hiking trails. Nestled 9,500 feet high in the San Francisco Peaks, and to the east sit ancient dwellings at Walnut Canyon National Monument. You should also spend a day exploring the historic downtown and railroad district. The area is located on what is known today as Route 66 and features 20th century buildings that house numerous restaurants, art galleries, and shops. 9. Phoenix. As the nation's fifth most populated city, Arizona's capital is constantly buzzing with activity. Phoenix is lauded for its well-manicured golf courses, its world-class spas, and its proximity to Camelback Mountain's hiking trails. But travelers can also visit unique attractions, such as the Musical Instrument Museum and the Desert Botanical Garden. What's more, Phoenix's diverse population gives it a dynamic restaurant scene for foodies to explore. Steakhouse fare and Mexican-inspired cuisine appear on many local restaurant menus. But to sample a bit of everything the area has to offer, sign up for a food tour of Phoenix and nearby Scottsdale. 10. Lake Mead. You'll find plenty of ways to stay busy at Lake Mead. The Lake Mead National Recreation Area, which extends across the Arizona-Nevada border, is the first and largest of its kind in America. Its 700 miles of shoreline and 9 trillion gallons of water make it a massive hub for water sports like boating, fishing, and water skiing. Plus, Lake Mead is considered one of the world's best freshwater lakes for scuba diving, thanks to its range of depths. If you found this content helpful and inspiring, remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family.